morning, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's trading floor. It is July 28th. We do have a little bit of a turnaround Tuesday type attitude this morning after yesterday's big sell-off that we've seen across the grains. A lot of liquidation yesterday, funds getting out of some positions, balancing things up. We saw some fears from China as their stock market was down. It was down again last night as well, but we've got our markets, stock futures up 54 right now. Crude oil's about unchanged. The dollar trying to recover from yesterday's losses. It's up about 40 cents right now as well. So we'll see if we can keep the strength today, if we can keep that alive. You got corn up about a penny and 3/4 overnight. Beans up 10, wheat up 4.5 cents. So we'll see how things project from here. Kind of helping it out, I think, as far as beans being up 10 cents. Good to excellent ratings came in unchanged. 62% good to excellent. Was still behind on the 5-year average there. But for corn, an increase of 1%. 70% of the nation good to excellent. And that is above the 5-year average. Still behind where we were last year, but still very good. USDA probably going to continue to look at yields out there as trendline yields. So don't expect a lot of change out of that. Now, looking at the weather moving forward, still looked at as bearish. You've got some good rains coming through areas that may need it, but none of these big rain totals that we had seen before. So warmer weather is supposed to stick around here for the next couple days, but behind that, things are going to be looking good. You're going to see it cool down again, and that extends out for the next few weeks. So the weather right now, looking at it as a whole, still is bearish and probably going to remain that way as well. So we did see 120,000 tons of sorghum sold today to China. No corn, no beans, no wheat. So we still need to see if we get a little demand back in here, or we can gravitate a little lower. Can we find some buying once again? But with this concern of China and China's economy, we're not seeing those big purchases of beans like we had seen in the past. So certainly behind export sales from where we've been the last few years. So we'll see what happens as far as the grains. Can we get some strength? Can we find some recovery here today and close stronger? We really need to see what happens with that as we reopen. Now, cattle up about 80 cents, finding a stronger recovery as boxed beef found some strength as well. Choice up 157, select up 65. You've got no cash trade as of yet, but talks maybe we can see steady to maybe even a little higher cash trade this week. We'll see if we can keep this recovery. Not only that, maybe finding a little strength as the stock market finds some strength as well. So we'll see if we can hold that today in an effort to see if we can stabilize that stock market as well. Hogs, unchanged. You got cutout values about 20 cents higher. Still going to see a lot of back and forth trade here out of hogs. We need to get this cash market to firm up. Seasonally, we tend to back off this time of year, but we really haven't done anything seasonally yet. So keep an eye on that. If we can get a little bit of strength and a recovery as far as livestock as a whole, that might try to drag these hogs with them. So keep an eye there. As I mentioned, stock market 54 higher, unchanged for crude oil. The dollar is up 40 cents right now. So we'll see if this turnaround Tuesday can hold. But if you have any questions, give us a call. You can reach us here, 800-262-7538, or on the web at allendale-inc.com. Hope you guys have a great day today. We'll talk to you again tomorrow. Take care.